Recording the sewer line here at 4208 3rd Avenue Northwest. Date is March 24th, 2021. Making this recording from the clean out in the basement bathroom of the home. And we're going to pull back from the city main here and get a look at this line. So we're going to come back from the main. You're looking at the city main flowing by right there. Zero out our footage. Come back from this point. It's a 6-inch diameter clay pipe there. Pretty steep drop off. And we'll dive down to catch the main. Some heavy root intrusion through here. Coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe at this point, so we're looking at about 38 feet of 6-inch diameter pipe before we come back into this 4-inch diameter line. We're going to zero out our footage again and get an accurate idea of what the footage on the 4-inch section of the line is. Large root intrusion at that joint. Come around, turn there. Root intrusion at the turn. And back into a section of PVC pipe here. And back inside the home here. I'm going to go pause the recording, see if I can't find a clean out outside here. Pause the video, I'll be back to finish. Okay, I'm going to continue recording there, come back to my plastic.